Guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Wix email subscribe form. So let's get started. So Wix is actually a very powerful tool and website builder that can actually get some emails for prospective buyers. So let's open the site in here in order to apply this theory. So this will open our manage.wix.com. So what we can do is we need to open the Wix editor. So in order to open the Wix editor, just click on Edit Site Work here, and then this will open the Wix editor itself. So let's just return that to load. As you can see right now, Wix website editor has been loaded. So what we can do is we can head over to this sidebar right here and look for pages and menu. And then here, what we can do is we can actually head over and add a new page. So let's click on this add a new page right here. And then from in here, we can just head over and look for a coming template. So in here, let's just scroll. And then in here, let's click on this general. And once you have clicked on that, then look for the coming template that you want. So it totally depends on what you want to put in this. You can also just open a black page if you want. So let's just open a black page. And then let's try and wait for this right here in order to open. So here it is right here, the black page. So the section is actually titled new page. So let's put this, then the name of coming soon. After that, click on done. And then as you can see right here, this will actually load. So we will be able to see it right here once we have actually added our site. So right here, what we can do is we can head over and start designing this section. So click on add elements right here. And then from in here, just look for the one that is up in email subscribe form. So in here, you can save this one, which is interactive. And then from in here, you can do light boxes. So just choose subscribe from the list. And then once you click on that, you can see a lot of templates right here that you can use. So for me, I'll just choose this one right here if you want, but this one is for promotion. So just make sure to use subscribe. So for me, I'll just choose this one. And then you can just put that right here. So as you can see, this doesn't actually match our color coding. So what we can do is you can actually edit this one and set up and change the overlay background. So let's choose the color for this. Let's just choose something pink. And then in here, let's also choose this one. And let's also try to change its color. So let's head over and click on design. And then just choose a color and image that you want to choose for this. For this one, I'll just choose something that is lighter than earlier. You can choose white, but if you choose white, you won't be able to see the text anymore. So you can try to use black since it is synchronizing on the paint that we have added earlier. So you can also add these things right here. You can change this image and also change what it looks like right here, which is a jar in our list. So let's edit this text by clicking on edit text. And then let's say something like become part of our family. It say something like that. And then you can retain this one or you can also edit it. And you can see that the subscribers for is just right here. And once you have done that and you're satisfied with everything, you can just head over and click on publish right here. Then as you can see, this will publish the new changes on our site. So click on view site right here. And then this will open and preview your site. So in here, you can see the coming soon page. So let's click on that page right here. And then in here, you will be able to see the thing that you have newly edited. So it actually looks like this. So you can input in here your email and then click on submit right here in order to join the email subscribe form. So that's our process. I hope this video helped you to add Wix email subscribe form. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me to reach more people. See you soon.